Yo, what's going on everybody? So in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make a trap drum beat, and I got part of a trap beat made here. I just got the melody. So that's what I got so far. It's I didn't spend very much time making it, but I think it'll do for this video. So first things first is I'm going to make the hi-hat rhythm. And trap beats tend to have quite a rhythmic hi-hat pattern, so that's what I'm going to go for here. I'm going to add some hi-hat rolls in here. So I'm first going to just highlight what I'm working on here. So to make a hi-hat roll very quickly and easily is you just go to this horseshoe up top here and you pick if you want to chop it in quarter steps or half steps. I'm going to go with quarter step for now, and then you just highlight your note. You just make a note and you make it whatever length you want it to be, and then highlight it and then Control U, and that'll chop it up. I'll show you what that does. So that's what that does. Control U. And I'm just going to go ahead and do another one, Control U, and then I'm going to add another one after that. Highlight, Control. And this one, as you can tell, I chopped this one into half steps. And I'm going to do 1 in third steps. Control U. So in trap hi-hat patterns, it's often common to do these hi-hat rolls and make it quite rhythmic. And also, if you're doing a certain hi-hat roll somewhere, to make it a lower pitch than the rest of them kind of adds an interesting sound to it. Alright, now I'll add some kicks and snares. This is often a shortcut I use, is I'll make half the full pattern that I want to make, and then I just put both side by side, and then I merge pattern clips. Saves a bit of time in the piano roll here, or in the step sequencer. So now I have that. And I'm going to add my 808s, and I'm going to line them up with my kick, and then I will adjust the note values afterwards. Boom, boom. Make this one higher. Now, oftentimes, if you have two 808s directly beside each other like this, then often you'll make one higher pitched and then the second one lower pitched. So let's see how that sounds. Well, yeah, I'll add it right there instead. Make that one be higher pitched. My keyboard controller is going crazy over here, that's why it's messing with the sounds. Come on. Now I want this one to stop. Now, if you're wondering how I made this one stop right here like this, is I open up my 808 like this, and then I go to the wrench tool, and then you hit cut self, and then if you add another note afterwards, and then turn the velocity all the way down, that will, what it does, when you hit cut self, what that does is it makes the first note stop after the second note is triggered. So if you make the second note have no volume, then it just cuts the first one out. Now I'm going to move some of these hi-hat rolls over because they are kind of getting in the way with the 808s and the kicks. Hey, that's pretty cool. that one down. Alright, that's pretty good so far. And now I'm going to finish this off with some open hi-hats. So let's see how this sounds. I really like that cutoff right there, so I'm gonna do that again. Try that. And oftentimes you just have to spend some time experimenting with different things and trying things out, seeing what sounds good. And so far this is not bad. And often for trap beats, it's common to add like some hi-hats in the beginning just to kind of build up anticipation for the drop. So I'm gonna do that here. I'm actually just gonna take hi-hats from here. Paste that in there. never mind that idea. Alright, so I hope that gives you an idea of how to make your trap drums. And yeah, I think that's about it for this video. I didn't explain a whole lot in this video. Well, I think I explained what I needed to, but I didn't say a whole lot else. But I hope you get the idea. If you have any questions, you can definitely leave them in the comments. And make sure to leave a like if this video is helpful for you guys. And if you are interested in learning music theory for producers, I have developed a course, Music Theory for Producers, and I'll leave a link in my description. It's if you join my Patreon page, you can get access to that course, and it's only $5 a month, so that's not too bad at all, and it's definitely worth it for what you get. And there isn't really anything in there that you wouldn't necessarily need to be a beat maker producer. It only includes information that's relevant to beat makers and producers, so I definitely recommend you check that out if that's of interest to you guys. So again, thanks for watching, and definitely leave a like if this video is helpful. Make sure to hit subscribe if you want to keep getting videos like this, and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when I drop a video. And thanks for watching, guys. Peace.